Today, I'll show you how to make chirashisushi, which is eaten on Hinamatsuri, as it will be soon much served. Hinamatsuri is often called Doll's Festival or Girls' Festival in English. Hinamatsuri is a day to pray for the health and happiness for young girls. Chirashi-zushi is made by making several kinds of ingredients each, and finally mixing or placing the ingredients on the vinaigrette rice that has been seasoned with sushi vinegar. It's a little complicated, so today I'll introduce the ingredients in order. First, preparation of vinegar rice. Rinse the rice and soak it in water. First, simmered carrot, bamboo shoot, and shiitake mushroom. Cut the carrot into thin stripes. Cut out the middle section of the bamboo shoots and cut into thin stripes. Place the dried shiitake mushroom in the dashi stock and let them absorb the dashi stock. When the dried shiitake mushrooms are hydrating, cut them into thin slices. Put shiitake mushrooms, dashi stock, bamboo shoots, and seasonings in a pot and simmer. Cook until the liquid is reduced to about 1/3. Then add the carrots and cook until the liquid is absorbed. In this way, the carrots will not fall apart and will cook beautifully. Simmered carrot, bamboo shoot, and shiitake mushroom is done. Next is pickled lotus root. Peel the lotus root and cut it into 2 mm thick pieces. Make a shallow cut between the holes of the lotus root and round the corners. Combine dashi stock and seasonings. Boil the lotus root and marinate in the combined seasonings. Then leave it until you're ready to serve it. Pickled lotus root is done.
Next one is boiled filled pea.
Remove the strands from filled pea and boil them. After boiling, put in cold water.
Drain on a paper and cut into half. The next one is boiled prawn.
Remove the dorsal intestine from the shrimp and boil. The dorsal intestine of the shrimp are taken from around here with a thin stick.
Boil the shrimp in a boiling water.
After boiling, put in cold water too. Drain the boiled prawns on paper and slice them in half. Now, the filled pea and prawns are ready. The last one is shredded egg. Break the eggs into a bowl and beat them. Add the seasonings and heat a pan with oil. Cook both sides over a heat. Cover the cooked egg with paper towel to prevent them from drying out and allow them to cool. When it cools, cut into thin stripes. When you have finished preparing the ingredients, cook the rice. Combine the ingredients for the sushi vinegar. When the rice is done cooking, mix it into the rice.
Add sushi vinegar and once mix them.
Be careful not to knead. Mix simmered carrot, bamboo shoot, and shiitake mushrooms, and sesame. Once mixed, cover and allow to cool while blending the flavors. When it cools, place on a plate and
put ingredients.
it's done. You can put seafood on it or arrange it in any way you like, so please try it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next video. Bye.